everyone, good morning. This is Mary Luna, and today we're gonna talk about suprasegmental features. This includes loudness, pitch, length, and stress. So stay tuned for more information.
First suprasegmental feature is the loudness. Its physical counterpart is intensity. Loudness is commonly going through different intensities which depends on the syllables used in a sentence. For an example, Anna took the train. If you're going to read this without emphasizing the loudness, it will be heard as Anna took the train. But if you will read this with emphasized loudness, it will be heard like this. Anna took the train. Anna and train was being stressed to hear the exact loudness of the sentence. The next suprasegmental feature is the pitch. Its physical counterpart is frequency. Pitch is to emphasize the going up and down of the sentence or words, and this can be used also to identify the meaning of the words being uttered. Like for an example, Anne visits her mother at their province. So the words Anne, visits, and her has the high pitch, followed by the mother at their, which is in the middle pitch. The next is province. So pro has the high pitch going down to vince, province. Let's try to read it again. Anne visits her mother at her province. Same goes with the example number 2. We often do our evening routine. Again, we often do our evening routine. Languages also use speech in another way, not to change word meanings, but to signal information at the speaker's emotion or attitude. This is called intonation. So let's proceed to the length and stress. The physical counterpart of length is the duration. This is the other component of suprasegmental features. There are other sounds longer than others, and this is the combination of vowels and consonants. There are variations of length according to the comparison of British English and American English. The first variation we have is the vowel length. Like for an example, the word beat, spelled as B-E-A-T. In the British English, they will pronounce it as beat, beat. In American English, they will pronounce it as beat, beat. Therefore, American English has a longer vowel length than the British English. Next variation we have is the syllable length. This is the prolonging or shortening of pronunciation when you respond to a close-ended question. The last variation is the utterance length. This simply means the tempo of your speech has changed.
To sum up everything, when we say suprasegmental feature, this is the sound information that is above the level of the sentence. Again, it consists of loudness, pitch, length, and stress. Suprasegmental feature is also used to provide the source level of information, and some language also use suprasegmental to change word meanings. So that would be all. I hope you learned something from our educational blog today. Thank you for watching